We're up here at the sewage treatment plant over Lake Johnston at the green pipe that is not supposed to have sewage in it. And we put some dye into the sewage system so we could try and trace it out and figure out why it seems like sewage is coming out of this pipe. Anyway, the pipe is there and the dye is green, and for whatever reason, somehow the sewage is not going in the right place, because this is the pipe that dumps a lot of water straight back into the lake. So we don't want sewage going in the lake, but we got sewage going in the lake. So we don't know why this is happening, but we're going to try and work on finding out. And in the meantime, probably the best thing to do is divert the flow to where the sewage is supposed to be going, or somehow find out how to get this water into the sewage system. You know, it'd be good to find out why is the water coming into the drainage system instead of the sewage system. So maybe the person that hooked up the pipes when they put the sewage system together hooked up the pipes wrong. I don't know, but you could tell, I don't know if you can see the color, but it's a green color. Sometimes if you go like that, you can see, like, I mean, it's obviously the dye. And then it comes from inside there. And it's pretty green. Anyway, so the dye works, and it's not supposed to be coming in here. There you can see the water flowing. So that's all flowing water. It flows into the lake, and it all comes from the sewage system. That's why it smells like sewage, and that's why it tests the same as sewage. Because we did a lot of water tests on what was in the sewage system and what was coming out here, and everything came out the same. But it just keeps flowing through these little waterfalls and gullies, and then it makes its way down here. You can see it right there, headed for the lake. It's on its way down to the lake, and it didn't take it too long to get here. I put the dye in about, I don't know, 2 hours ago, and it looks like it took it 2 hours, or at least it took 2 hours for the pump to come on, because it hasn't made it to here yet. So it'll be here in a little while, and then it'll head through this and out into the lake. So I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe Mike Fagley could come and take a look at why this is happening. But the idea is to, you know, not have sewage go in the lake. So this isn't going to help, because it's going right in there. Anyway, let's go over here and we'll look at this other pipe. This is another pipe over here. This is where the sewage is supposed to go through the treatment plant. It gets treated, and whatever overflows can come out here, and it comes out chlorinated, so it's safe. That over there is not chlorinated. It comes out here, and you can see the dye hasn't made it here yet. It's not green, but there's that pipe, and you know, it's chlorinated. You can smell the chlorine. I don't know why the water in the sewage plant didn't go into the sewage plant and come out here, but it didn't.